Good morning. I just woke up. I'm on the couch because this is where I slept last night. I'm getting my period and my tummy is quite sore. So Ethan made me some rice to put on my belly. He warmed up some rice and put it in a tea towel so I can put it on my belly. But I just thought that I wanted to vlog today because I have some home improvement things that I wanted to do and I feel like you might be interested in it. I'm also going to try self-tanner for the first time. So I'm also going to let you know how that goes. So we just took Stelly out to the park because she was looking out our balcony, which she does sometimes to people watch and dog watch at the park below. So we just took her to the park to play with her friends, and then hopefully she will be tired out enough to take a nap so we can go for a run. So I'm just going to finish my coffee now that I'm done vacuuming and plan out some of my outfits for the fashion video that I'm filming today. And Stelly is currently chewing on her bully stick. So hopefully she falls asleep soon so we can go for a run because as you can tell I'm all dressed and ready to go. So until she falls asleep, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm very red and sweaty. I got my period before we left, so my stomach is so sore. My cramps are so bad right now. But it felt really good to run and get some exercise for literally the first time this week. And yeah, I'm really sore, but I feel good now. I feel like we can start our day. I just took the longest shower of my whole entire life so I could get ready to tan tonight. Ethan made me a smoothie while I was showering. And now, getting the space ready to film my aesthetics video. If you want to check out the video, you can check it out in the description box below or on the little iCards that I'm going to put here. But yeah, I'm going to film now, so I will catch you after that. So I just filmed my video. Ethan is currently making us brunch. Breakfast and lunch because we have zero food, so we haven't eaten. All I've had is a little bit of my smoothie, but we are going to fix up the balcony today because it's a beautiful day. As you can see, the sun is out, it's really warm, and this is our balcony situation at the moment. Absolutely hideous. So our plan can you honestly stop? Holy shit.
Buddy, it's okay.
So our plan today is to get some pots, some flowers. Definitely want it to be more I don't know, cute and springy. So we're gonna go to some plant stores, Canadian Tire, get some pots, and we're gonna take Stelly for a little walk. But she's never really been that far before, so hopefully she doesn't freak out. So in case anyone is wondering how Stella's doing after today's walk, here's your answer. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping on the pillows? So, here are our plants. We got a snake plant, a little bamboo thing, 2 tall grasses, some yellow flowers and some more yellow flowers. And then Ethan has the pots. We got some pots from Canadian Tire, some soil, and some spray paint that we're going to paint the pots white. And then we're gonna pot our guys. Hello, so it is dinner time. Ethan made some lovely Thai food and I'm very excited to eat it.
That's so rude, honestly. You don't include me. You gotta give the people what they want to see. This
I am.
is what they want to see. I used my Sunbum hair lightener today, if you were wondering. For the first time. Do you think it looks lighter? No, but you can definitely see my pimple from this angle. Apparently, if you do it every day for a week, you'll notice significant results.
A week?
Yeah,
That's not a very long time.
you know.
I think if you used it over the summer.
No,
And we were
Martina,
out.
this girl had jet black hair, and she did it every day for a week, and it was like fucking blonde highlighted brown. I got it on camera.
Good thing.
That's content, folks. See, it's so pretty.
Sunny.
Martina tried a new primer today. Makes her makeup look nice.
So I've been living life without primer. Very stupid. I just like honestly I've run out and I don't wear makeup often enough
Stop, Stels.
to warrant buying primer. And then for the Sephora sale, I had to get like,
I had to.
yeah, I need a new moisturizer and so did you. So I
Had
ordered
to.
us some moisturizer and then for like the free trial, what are they called? Like testers?
Freebies!
I got the Milk Makeup new Hydro Primer or something. And it works so well and honestly I'm gonna buy it, so.
That's why they give it to you.
Okay, we've done enough talking. Hi guys, okay, so it's Sunday morning. I decided not to tan last night because I had to edit my video and put it live for this morning. Yada yada, we brought Stella outside to the park to play with her friends, whatever, so I didn't tan. So this morning, I just got out of the shower, as you can see, and I was reading the box, and it says, tips, I recommend a good exfoliation before applying. So I decided to scrub myself in the shower. I can like barely hear myself. Oh, so much better. And I'm just gonna go for it. By the way, I don't know if I said, but I'm using number 32 by Luxe Unfiltered, which is a brand that a blogger, influencer, her name is Sivan, or Sivan Ayla as she goes by on social media, but she made this brand for tanning and I've heard really good things. Also, I've never tanned before, like I said yesterday, I think. I've done like professional spray tans and stuff like that, but I've never personally like tanned myself, and this one seemed pretty good and everyone says it's so easy to use, and yeah, so I'm gonna go for it. Unboxing. By the way, the packaging is literally so cute. Ooh, so nice. Apply an even layer of cream all over your body in circular motions. Allow to dry for 2 to 3 minutes before getting dressed. Okay, so I finished applying. Currently naked, which is why you're only seeing from here up. I'm waiting the like recommended 2 to 3 minutes before I get dressed, and I feel like I'm already a different color, like slightly, obviously, but I'm going to continue doing it probably like every couple days, and hopefully I will be tan. But again, it's only been like literally 2 minutes, so I'm assuming that it's still gonna develop for a little bit, but hopefully it makes me tan. I'm very excited. No licking, mama. Okay, so these are my legs. They actually look more tanned. No licking. There. No! Sit. Good girl. Like, they actually look more tan. I'm very happy. Like, do you see this? Okay, I just got out of the shower, so it's been officially a day and a shower later, and you can see that I'm very tan. I hope it's showing up on camera okay, but as you can tell, like my stomach and my arms, very tan. Slightly orange, like Like if you see the difference
Slightly.
I was before, can you tell? And then my legs. Ethan says we are quite orange like Oompa Loompas. But I kind of like the color. Like I think, like my tummy, I think that's quite natural. Like I said before, I didn't do my face, but I think that it looks okay. The only thing is that I put way too much on my elbows because I thought she said put more on your elbows, but she said just put whatever extra like residue that was left on your hands, put that on your elbows. Totally my misunderstanding. But I think for a first time tan, I did okay. So again, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this helped a little bit. The link for the tanner is down in the description if you want to try it out yourself, help out a small business, and I will see you next time.